So the programme is really about giving security professionals business acumen skills that they wouldn't necessarily get from security courses that they would attend. So what you find is there are numerous security courses which will teach you all about security and threat and risk, but you actually don't get the information for strategy and leadership, communication and financial planning. So this course is really giving those senior security professionals the business acumen skills that they wouldn't normally get from any other type of course. The way that I chose this programme is that I went to the ASIS or the ASIS webpage, and it pointed me to an executive programme. One is run in the United States and one is run here in Madrid. So this is recognised by a security association that I'm a member of. So you get that acknowledgement from your peers that you've been on an ASIS aligned programme. And then also the IE Business School itself has a very good reputation. So the two fit very well together. And so that's why I chose to come here. And to add to that as well, I don't see another offering within the European space. It seems that it's here in Madrid.